Hi, I'm Mayor Wesley Meese, and I'm standing here at Milton's newest restaurant, El Paso, and we're excited about it, down here on the corner of Highway 90 and Dogwood Drive. Now, just a little over a year ago, we had Harbor Freight Tools coming across the street. Milton is growing, Milton is expanding, and invested thousands of dollars into this parking lot, into the building. Wait till you see the inside in just a moment. We're going to take you in there. Look at the architecture. Come on a little bit further in. Just the tables. It feels like you're sitting in El Paso, Texas somewhere, and you get that feel. The artwork. I mean, they've done everything they can to make it look the part. And of course, as I was talking earlier, the food. Tell us about the food a little bit. What's it going to be like?
Well, this is going to be authentic Mexican food, really good products, all produced food, and good quality and the best service for everybody, and we want to make everybody feel welcome here.
Over there you got a full bar too, and so you'll be able to get a margarita.
Margarita, beers, enchiladas, whatever all the drinks you guys.
And for all of our soccer fans in Milton, the World Cup starts next month. Is that right?
Yeah, next month.
And so you're going to be you have TVs. You'll have all sports
TVs. Yes, we have
MMA. You'll have football. All the big sports will be here. And so this is a great asset to our city. Jeff, what do you think?
I'm ecstatic about it. The detail that they put into the inside of this restaurant, and you'll be able to see it and enjoy it like I do whenever I've walked in here. So they do open at 11 o'clock Monday. And I believe you're open 7 days a week?
Yes, sir.
7 days a week. So you'll definitely try to get in here as soon as possible. You're going to definitely be impressed as me and the mayor are.
Yeah. So again, Milton's growing. Downtown Milton's doing its thing. The Imogene. We have ice cream. We have tool stores. We have a brand new, awesome Mexican restaurant, El Paso. What else could you want? Well, it's coming, folks.
Yeah, there is more coming for sure.
Awesome. Well, it's getting big and nice and friendly for everybody.
Thank you so much for
everything, man.
Yeah, all right.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.